ready for a new skincare video? Still gotta work on my vocal lessons. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my DIY facial that completely transformed my skin. It's helped me clear out my skin so much. It's also really good if you don't want to spend the money and go to a spa and get something really expensive done when it comes to a facial. Today I share with you guys my DIY at-home facial that you can easily do at home yourselves and have clear skin in just under a week. If you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell, and also comment below and let me know if you want to see more DIY skincare videos. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter, so I'll see you guys over there too. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. To start my DIY facial, I'll be using the chiutips Skin Purifier Cleansing Oil. I love doing the two-step cleansing process when I do an at-home facial. First, I cleanse in circular motions for a few minutes, and then I'll add some water to activate the cleanser. 30 seconds here, and then rinse off with warm water. The second step is using a cleansing foam, and one of my favorites is the Vichy Purité Thermal. You guys know I'm a huge fan of this. Why? It gives my skin a very squeaky clean, which I love, and a minute here of cleansing with my fingers in circular motions, and then I'm going to rinse off and pat dry. Now it's time for a steam. Boil some water and place your face over the steam to get all the goodness. I feel it makes everything I put on after absorb so much better. One of the best things for a DIY facial is to do a peel. I use the Kosei Clear Whitening Mask once a month to help refine pores and remove blackheads. I like to treat my problem areas with this, so I'll only be using it on the T-zone, nose, and cheek area. This has red oolong tea extract, which helps tighten pores, and Chinese quince extract, which helps better tackle pores and helps create translucent skin. Once the mask is on, I'm going to let it dry, and then my favorite part, peeling it off. I have this weird thing where I want the whole mask to peel off in one clean go. Do you guys feel the same way too, or is it just me? Moving along, I like to prevent pimples and breakouts by using the ordinary salicylic acid solution on any areas I think may be problematic. If you're more prone to acne and breakouts, do this on a regular basis to help keep them at bay. I'm going to spot treat breakout areas with the solution and make sure I let it dry before applying anything else on top. And lastly, I'll be using the Biotherm Life Plankton Mask, which I'll leave on overnight. It's formulated to help the most fragile of skin. I wake up with smoother, bouncier, and more radiant skin. And it's time for a skincare giveaway. I'm giving away to one lucky winner the Bioderma Cleansing Gel, the Marcel Revival Skin Renewal Anti-Aging Serum and Night Cream, the Lancome Advanced Genifique Concentrate, Kosei's Enriched Lotion, EOS's Marine Collection Lip Balms, and 2 Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Masks. And all you have to do to enter is 1. Subscribe to my channel, 2. Comment below, 3. Follow me on Instagram, and like the last 3 posts and comment with Win with Chew. All details on how to enter will be in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some tips and tricks on how to create your very own DIY facial at home. This is my skincare routine. It's really worked for me, especially when it comes to getting clearer skin. I always find during the summer I break out a little bit more because I think it's because of the sweat production and also just being outside aggressors on the skin. So doing this once a month, especially during the summertime, has really helped my skin stay clear and pimple free. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and of course make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything else. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will see you all very soon in my next one.